So for the past few days, I've been thinking about movement, or better yet, virtual reality locomotion. Let's go. Yo, I've been working in a few VR projects. Some of them are personal, others are from clients, but they all have something in common, which is they all need some type of locomotion system. The most popular way of moving for me is the smooth locomotion, which is when a player uses a controller to move in all directions in a smooth way, hence the name smooth locomotion. Well, there is another popular method, which is teleporting. It has all the safe features so that no one gets sick, but it also removes all the fun and all the immersiveness that VR can provide. In my VR projects that has a safety concern of a possible motion sickness may occur, I try to push the hand tracking static player solution, which in my opinion is awesome. You can clearly see that this is not only my opinion. Apple, which is a company that has proven to get some things right, placed a bet on a VR headset that has no controller. Yeah, that's right, no controllers. Now going back to Meta. Meta has provided an example in their Meta Integration SDK, which has a teleport-based solution for their locomotion demand. But remember, this removes all the fun. But within this SDK, I noticed that they included an example of something called pose detection. I was very impressed with how easy it was and how effective the technology seemed to detect the poses. So I thought to myself, maybe here is a possible way to make locomotion fun again in this hand tracking scenario. So here is gesture-based locomotion. Thumbs up, you will fly off the floor 1 meter in distance, and if you let go, you will fall back to the floor. I think maybe it's magic or some high-tech type of solution, I don't know. And then right here, I'm using right hand to make a fist, and I will flip 180 degrees, and this allows me to see what's behind me and start moving backwards faster than I can just move around. For the other possible ways for me to move, I will just move my body from left to right, and then I can just use my fingers on the right hand to point in the direction I want to move, and then I start moving. See, this is where the fun begins. Now we can start implementing new functions and we can replace the controllers and start using our hands in these VR scenarios. Now tell me what you think in the comments below. My name is Lucas, this is TGVR coming at you with another banger. Vem com a tropa.